So everybody has a bucket list trip, right? And for us, Greece was on that list. So we decided to go all out. We tried Emirates for the first time, sprung for business class, and it did not disappoint. Finally touched down in Greece. Currently in Athens, about to go have dinner the first night. Flew from Newark all the way here for a couple days. Then we go to Mykonos. Then we go to Santorini. It's actually dinner in the sky, excuse me. Now, if you want to step up your dining experience and take it to new heights, literally, this is a must-do. From the moment I was strapped in, I realized I was in for a very unique dining experience. So once the crane lifted us to maximum height, the table just started rotating. The chef set the mood with a really dope playlist, and then he started to prepare our 6-course meal. The music and the wine created a really chill atmosphere, and everybody at the table was vibing. The sun slowly set on the horizon, and the Acropolis was gorgeous. Day 2, we journeyed to one of the world's most iconic landmarks, the Parthenon. It was an extremely hot morning as we climbed the marble steps of the Acropolis. The view of Athens from up top was so captivating, it really made the climb worth it. The Parthenon was built as a tribute to the goddess Athena. So after all of that walking at the Acropolis, we were definitely hungry and headed to the Starfish restaurant for lunch. The seafood was authentic, but the view of the Saronic Gulf was beautiful and a perfect way to spend the afternoon. After lunch, we had an opportunity to visit the Panathenaic Olympic Stadium. We walked around for a bit, and after that we were off to the famous Monastiraki Square. So this is like a flea market and another nice area here in Athens. You can get almost anything you want out here. A lot of souvenirs and leather products. We just bought a few things and a really nice cutting board. So the historic part is called Plaka. If you come down, you'll definitely be able to walk around, shop, and have a great meal. We had a pretty good time in Athens. Now we're currently headed to Mykonos. After Mykonos, we'll be headed to Santorini. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to like and share. And please subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications for new content. Explore the world with us. Sky Dweller Views.